My face is pulsating so much, it's crazy. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the clay mask that helped clear my skin. This is going to be part 3 of the skin videos that I've been making. I will link both part 1 and 2 of my skin videos down below. I'll also try and link them up here. I wanted to make this video by itself because this mask can be a bit tricky to make in terms of like the consistency, the amount, how it should look, how long you should keep it on for, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to be giving all that information throughout this video just for easy reference. And you guys can pretty much watch this video and apply the mask with me. So the mask that I do is the Aztec Indian Healing Clay Mask. For those who don't know, the Aztec Indian Healing Clay Mask is 100% natural, free from all that bad stuff like fragrances, free from all them ingredients that they usually have in face masks that are like C134 yellow. I do this mask once a week, and this mask pretty much gets rid of all my congestion in my skin. One thing before we start this video, making sure that you don't have any metal utensils. So the bowl you use is not metal. Anything that you're using to mix, any measurement things, nothing can be metal. The reason of this is because you're pretty much just weakening the mask, and that's definitely not what we want. We want to make sure that we can get the full effect from this mask. So just making sure that you don't have anything metal. Use plastic or glass type of utensils. So you can use water to mix the mask. I haven't tried it personally, but I've heard that it is much harder to mix the mask. I choose to do the apple cider vinegar with my Aztec Indian Healing Clay Mask because apple cider vinegar does make it more of a smoother consistency, and I feel like apple cider vinegar is really good for my skin as well in terms of balancing my pH level, trying to reduce the scarring, and pretty much trying to get rid of all pigmentation on my face. So I felt like putting these two together would be really, really good for my skin. So if you guys want to see how I apply this mask, then just keep on watching.
So first up, we're just going to go and pop our headband on. This is just going to hold back any hair from getting in the way while we're washing our face or just putting our mask on. Now before we start this mask, we just need to make sure our face is 100% clean. So I'm just going to go in and wash my face with my cleanser and give that a really good clean. And now we're just going to pat our face dry with a clean towel. Now we're ready to do the mask. Woohoo!
So first up, we're just going to get out our Aztec Indian Healing Clay Mask. And as you can see, this mask is in powder form, so therefore we're going to need to be mixing another ingredient in to make it a paste. I use the Bragg organic apple cider vinegar, and at the bottom it should say with the mother. I've seen these two paired together really frequently. It is 100% natural, raw, unfiltered, organic, all that kind of stuff.
Next up, we're just going to get half a tablespoon and just pour that into a glass bowl. I use measuring spoons only because I feel like it's easier to get the exact measurement every time, and I know that the measurements I use will be consistent. Next up, I'm just going to be putting in half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar.
So I just mix these in, and then once the mask is smooth consistency, I will apply this to my face.
I'm just going to be applying an even amount all over my face.
If you don't already know, apple cider vinegar stinks. I've kind of gotten used to the taste. I like apple cider vinegar, to be completely honest with you. I'm like the weirdo that drinks salad dressing as well, so yeah, that wasn't a problem for me, but I've seen some people, and when they talk about it, they like can't even keep the mask on for more than 5 minutes. But I guess there's certain things that you just need to tolerate if you want clear skin.
And also making sure not to forget to do my neck and my jawline.
So this is what the mask looks like. So basically, I just leave this mask on for about 20 minutes until it's pretty much all dry. You'll be able to see when it dries because the mask will go a little bit like of a lighter whitish kind of green and it'll start cracking. Probably towards the end, I'm not going to be able to talk at all because this mask makes your face really, really tight. Oh my god, it's starting to dry already. So we're about 7 minutes in, and as you can see that the mask has already started to dry around the mouth area and my forehead. It's starting to get a little bit harder to talk. It's starting to feel like it's pulling. So yeah, this is pretty much what it does. So the mask is starting to get even more dry. Pretty much my whole forehead and everything is like so hard to talk right now. I just feel like my skin is like pulling like crazy, and it is pulsating like, I don't even know how to say it. It's pulsating like crazy. Okay, we are 17 minutes in, so I am just going to wait another 3 more minutes and then I'm gonna wash it off. As you can see, my forehead is completely dry and pretty much my chin area is too. It's just basically my cheek areas that, I don't know, they just never really dry, like, unless I've kept the mask on, but that just, I don't want to dry out my skin too much, as this mask is really, really drying. So, I'm just going to leave this mask on for a couple more minutes and then, I'll wash it off, but it is so hard to talk right now. It is like, around here, it is so tight and just like, whew. So basically when I wash this mask off, my face is going to be really, really red. That's completely normal. The reason behind that is because this mask basically gets your blood pumping, and that's really good because it's basically circulating the blood around your face and it's pumping the collagen. By tomorrow morning, it'll be completely gone, so yeah. Okay, it has been 20 minutes, so I'm going to take this mask off now, and I'm just going to wash my face with lukewarm water, really, really gently, because your skin's going to be quite sensitive. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. My face is pulsating so much, it's crazy. So this is my skin after. You can't really see the redness in my camera of what it actually looks like. My face is kind of still feels really hot, completely normal. So yeah, after the mask has been taken off, I'm not going to tone my face. I feel like this mask is really drying and I don't want to put extra drying, like I don't want to dry my skin out anymore. I don't know if you can like see it. It looks really shiny. It looks so clean. Okay, so yeah, my skin feels like, okay, so what I'm just going to finish off with is some aloe vera. I've said more information about aloe vera in my previous video, so I'm just going to link my video up here for you guys if you guys wanted to hear more about that, and I'll also link that in the comment description. So basically I'm just going to cut some aloe vera and just pop that all over my face. I'm going to leave the aloe vera on overnight and wake up in the morning and just wash it off. And yeah, the reason why I put aloe vera on my face is because aloe vera is very, very moisturizing and hydrating. Very hydrating for the skin. So I feel like putting this on is much more effective than just putting moisturizer on and then going to bed. So yeah, this is why I choose to put this on after this face mask, because it is very drying, so I want to make sure that I'm getting as much moisture to my skin as possible, because if I don't moisturize or put any sort of moisture on my skin, I'm going to break out even more because I'm overstimulating the oil production. So yeah. So in about 15 minutes, the aloe vera gel will be dry, and then I'm all good to go to bed, and yeah. I will link everything of what I've used in this video in the comments below. If you guys did enjoy this video and would like to see more skin videos, please like and subscribe. I hope this video does help in terms of giving you like more extra information that websites or other people like haven't given, as I felt like a lot of people were just repeating the same things, like how long to keep it on for sensitive skin and all that kind of stuff, when like if you leave it on for 5 minutes, like it's not even dry. It's not doing like the full effect. So I hope you guys watch this video and do learn something different from what you've read everywhere else. I am getting skin needling in 2 weeks, and oh my goodness, I am so freaking excited. I've been waiting for this like opportunity for like 2 years. I'm not even joking. I can't wait to get rid of my scarring. I will be vlogging that. I'll be posting a lot more videos about my skin. I love talking about my skin now. It was a really big struggle for me at first, but now I feel really open and I feel really confident about talking about this kind of stuff. I want to help other people as well. So comment your feedback on this video if you've tried my way or you've tried this mask and how this mask has helped for you guys. Let me know if this mask doesn't help. Like, I'm really curious to see if this mask doesn't help people. But I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.